Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Piyush Agarwal with another component in row from the orchestrator. So we have explored what are folders, what are automations, triggers, jobs, environments, robots, machines, and a lot more. Now in this video, we are going to explore what are assets. Assets are like really too much important in your real life scenarios because you get, let me explain a few simple scenarios where you will be using assets. So first example, you want to log into some kind of application. Now, where will you store the credentials of that application in your business? So since this is a security measure that you need to take, keep your credentials completely secure. The best way is to secure them on the orchestrator because the encryption used on orchestrator is really good. Now, if we click on add assets and click on create a new asset, you can simply give a name. There are types of assets like it is a book, simple text, true or false value, a kind of number or a credential. So for the use case that I spoke, we can use credential type and select give a username and password as values and simply save it with some kind of name. You can either allocate it to a particular bot that yes, only this particular bot will use these credentials from the orchestrator, and or you can give it as anyone can access based on the name. Like for example, I gave it credential one. So if it is global, any bot can access this credential using the credential one name. Or if I just disable it, add robot asset value, type or search robot, and add the username and password. This way, I can't enter value here as a global, but I can enter over here. So only this robot one would be able to access this credentials to log into the application. So that is a type of credential. Now, where we can use these rest of the data types? Why are they available over here? So one simple scenario for that is, suppose there is a kind of email on which you want to send a mail to the business. What if after every week that email changes again due to security purpose? Or there is a kind of domain URL that you generally log into, generally serve while automating. For example, let's say you have created a bot which logs into LinkedIn. Now, suppose that LinkedIn is your personal website which is developed by a certain company. Now, after 2 months, the company want to change the URL. So if you would not use the trade assets, what will happen? You will have to go to back to your bot, even though you might not be working on that project, and you will have to reconfigure that yes, you want to use this new URL. So that is a kind of bad practice. Simply use an asset, and whenever the any kind of text asset value changes, such as the URL as I mentioned, any user can just come to orchestrator and edit that value. Let me show an example. Over here I've got a postman with some kind of text hello from postman. What I can do, I can click on edit, and over here I can change, let's say hello from Python. Click on update. So this way a text credential asset value can be easily changed by anyone from the orchestrator, and this marks the change for all the robots. Even if there are 10,000 robots in your environment which are using this particular asset, by just a single change on the orchestrator, you can change the values throughout your bots. So that's how powerful and useful assets are. Hope you like this video, guys. Do check out my latest videos still coming up, since we have got most components left over to the orchestrator to be explored. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hope you are enjoying my videos.